Hey students, number 11, Kagome. And this is a Japanese folk song. This one is quite a bit harder than the last ones we played. It's a big skill jump. So this is probably going to take the whole lesson to teach. I made another little fingering chart down here. Maybe it's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can get this thing even closer. You guys can see it even better? There we go, that's better. So we now have 4 notes. B, which is first finger, A, which is second finger, G, 3 fingers, and E, we learned last time, which is 3, and then on the right hand we do 2. That's why there's 3, a slash, and then 2. So 1, 2, 3 on the left hand, and then 2 here. Sounds like that. Let's echo on E since we have it down. Okay, why don't we try out A? Right there. Let's play A. And finally, let's do a little bit of B. And what about G? 3 fingers. All right, let's do 2 measures at a time. We have a half note, so do for 2. Why don't I turn a metronome on? Too slow. Let's speed this thing up. There we go. So let's say do. 1, 2, this gets 2 beats, go. Do, 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 do. So that should be what notes are from here to here? It's just 2 of them. Use this down here. Which 2? If you said A, because it's on the space right there, you'd be correct. And B, because it's on the middle line, you'd be correct. It's A, B, A, which looks A, B, A. Sounds like this. Let's play that. Actually, no, let's finger. Ready, go. A, B, A. Let's play. 2, ready. All right, let's do it with the metronome now. Ready, go. Do it again. 2, ready, go. Now you guys will remember from last year, 8th notes. So these are quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to turn on 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. So it would be 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3. Or do, 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 do. Why don't we do just the first measure here? Do, 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 do. What 2 notes are those? If you guessed A and G, you'd be correct. A, because it's right there on the second space. A. G, because it's on the second line. A, G. Let's try that. Ready, go. A, G, again, go. Last time, go. A, G, G, should sound. Let's play that a few times. Ready? Go. Again, go. So now we can play measures 1 through 3. A, B, A, G, G. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, this time I'm going to point. Ready, go. A, B, A, G, G. All right, last time, let's play together. Ready, go. Now, let's do the hard part. This measure right here, it has 3 notes. Which 3 are they? If you guessed A, G, E, you'd be correct. A, G, E, look at that. A, G, E. A, G, E. Let's do that a few times because that's tough. A few times. Ready, say it. A, G, E. Again. Again. A, G, E. Last time. A, G, E. Let's play it. Ready. Again. 2. Ready. Now I better explain what this is right here. That line underneath those 2 eighth notes, it's called a slur. And that means we don't tongue the second one. So we tongue, slur, tongue. Tongue or slur means we don't tongue it from the A to the G. I just keep the air moving. Here's what it'd sound like if I tongued both. 2, 2. Hear the difference? I'm going to slur it this time. I just keep the air moving, so it sounds tongue, slur, tongue. Try that. 2, ready. Why don't we try playing that top line? Here we go. Let's finger and say the first time on this. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, A, G, G, A, G, E. Let's play it this time. Ready? Then you might, can't talk, sorry guys. You might want to take that and practice it for a little bit. So this would be a very good time to pause the video and practice this part. I'll do it one more time with you, and I'd say pause and practice this top line. Here we go. Playing. 2, ready. Now I would take the time and practice that up. This is something that'll take a little bit, maybe even a couple days. Use this key signature, or sorry, this fingering chart down here. B, A, G, and E are all there with the fingers written in if you forget. Pause, come on back, and we're going to learn second line. We'll do the same thing. We'll pause, come back, and we'll learn the third line. All right, now that you're unpaused, let's do this measure. Just 2 notes. It just goes back and forth. Which 2 are they? If you guessed they're A and G, you'd be correct because A, space, you can see it's the same. G, second line. So A, G, A, G. Let's play that 1, 2, ready, go. Again, ready, go. What's that look like? If you guess this measure is the same as right here, you'd be correct. It's that same line. A, G, E. We already learned that. Let's play it. Ready, go. Again, 2, ready, go. So we're playing A, G, A, G, A, G, E. Let's play these 2 measures. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, 2, ready. Last time, 2, ready, go. All right, I bet we can do these 2 measures right here. Let's try them out. What are those notes? Use this down here if you need it. If you guessed A, B, you'd be correct. A, because it's on the space, and then B, so it's on that middle line. A, B, A. Let's try that finger and say go. A, B, A. Do it again. A, B, A. Whoops, I switched to B, my bad. Let's play it. 2, ready. Again, 2, ready, go. Messed up again. Sorry guys, ready, go. Cool. Whole second line, ready? Let's finger it. I'm not going to be able to play it because I'm fingering it. Ready? Second line, 2, ready, go. A, G, A, G, A, G, E. A, B, A. All right. Are you ready to play it? Let's try playing the second line, then I'm going to release you to practice. 1, 2, ready. Again, 2, ready. Last time, ready. Now, the key is time to practice this, and then when you come back, we're going to play the whole thing. Ready? So practice line 2, come back, we'll play line 2, and then we'll play these 2 together, and then we'll release you to practice again. It's a very practice-heavy song because it's long, and it doesn't repeat all that much. All right, pause, practice, come on back, we'll play line 2. Welcome back. Let's play line 2. 1, 2, ready. All right, let's play 1 and 2 together because we learned 1 already. Let's play 2. And that means we can play along with the soundtrack here. Here we go. 1, 2, beginning. work how I do this. So I'm going to point this first time. Ready? Pointing. So I'm not playing. Here we go. 1, 2, playing. Go. This time I'll play along with you, and then I'll release you to practice again, because we need to have line 1 and line 2 done and ready if we want to move on to 3 and finish the song. Here we go. Let's play. 1, 2, ready. Finish the song and learn line 3. By the way, what does line 3 look like? Does it not look like kind of here, but we just have instead of A, G, it's A, G, G, A, G, G. So same thing, we're just going to go A, G, G, A, G, G. And then the second measure is the same as that. That same. Let's try that. A, G, G, A, G, G, A, G, E. 1, 2. Let me get a metronome. Sorry. Go. A, G, G, A, G, G, A, G, E. Again. 2, I told you it was hard. Ready? Go. A, G, G, A, G, G, A, G, E. This time I'll point, no fingers, but you are fingering. 2, ready, go. A, G, G, A, G, G, A, G, E. Should sound like this. Listen. Let's play it together. Ready? Again. 2, ready. Last time. 2, ready, go. Cool. Why don't we end the song? Last 2 measures. What are they? Last 2, that being measure 1 and measure 2, last 2. What are those notes? If you guessed, using this down here, A, because it's second space, you'd be correct. A. Next note is B. A. B, back to A. So, A, B, A. Let's try that. 2, ready, go. A, B, A. Again, ready, go. A, B, A. Should sound. Playing 1, 2, ready. Last time, ready, go. Let's play the bottom line. Ready? Let's say the letters first. Ready, go. A, G, G, A, G, G, A, G, E. A, B, A. Fingers this time. Ready? Go. A, G, G, A, G, G, A, G, E. A, B, A. practice up third line. Come on back. We'll play it. We'll play through the whole thing. I'll give you more time to practice the whole thing. Then I think we might have it done. If this is taking a long time, this is a giant difficulty jump. It will probably take a couple days before you can play this, and that depends how much you're playing. So it might take longer than that. It might take shorter than that too if you are practicing a lot. So it all depends on how much time you put in. Pause, practice up third line. Come on back and we'll play it. Now that you're back, I'm going to point the first time. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. A, G, G, A, G, G, A, G, E, E, A, B, A. Man, I messed that up. I'm sorry. We'll play from here. Ready, go. A, B, A. Fingering. I'm playing this time. Sorry, playing. Ready, go. Again, 2, ready. I think we're ready to play the whole thing. Let's play it once. I'll let you go and practice, and then I'm going to finish this thing off. Pointing first. Sorry. What I meant to say was I'm going to point first, and then we'll do one where I play along with you. Here you go. Pointing, just so you know where you are. 1, 2, you play, go. This time I'm going to play along with you. Here we go. Same thing, whole thing. 1, 2, ready. Line 2. And there it is, guys. Let's go into practice mode. Come on back. We'll do the final performance of this thing. So when you come back, you want your practice being done, which means you don't mess up on any notes anymore. The whole thing is done. So pause, practice, come back, and we will finish the song. Kagome. All right? Whole thing, let's finish it. Long song. 2, ready, go. Line 3. We did it. And that one is quite a bit harder than the ones previous, right? So, good job. I will see you guys for the next one.